everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today, when you guys are seeing it, it's going to be Wednesday, January the 18th, yes, of 2023, and I am coming at you guys from Kroger for another amazing week. This week is amazing, absolutely amazing. We have more mega event. We have some crazy awesome weekly digital deals. We have some crazy cheap household products. I'm like so excited for the household deals this week on laundry detergent, fabric softener, crazy deals, toilet paper deals. Like, it's just a great week to come to Kroger, so you're gonna wanna stay tuned. In the description box below, I'll have the link to your printable breakdown. You can print it out, bring it with you, whatever you want. Also in the description box, if you're not already signed up for the rebate apps like Ibotta, Shopkick, Swagbucks, Fetch, go ahead and get signed up. I have all my referral links down below to do that. Okay guys, let's just dive right into our Kroger deals for this week. So excited to see this deal still going this week on core bars. They're on a deal. They're 2 for $5, but we have a digital coupon right now that Kroger has. It's a 5x use coupon, meaning you can use it 5 times in one transaction. It's gonna take $3 off at 2. The best deal here is to buy 4. It's gonna be $10, but you're gonna get $6 off from that 5x digital coupon. 3 off 2 times 2, so you're gonna pay $4. Ibotta has a rebate for $1.25 back. You get that back, and it's gonna make 4 of these totally free, plus a $1 moneymaker, which is just awesome. We have a super easy freebie on the Silk Greek style yogurt. So the Silk Greek style yogurt, these are $2.19 at Kroger. There's just a digital coupon they put out just to get it for free, completely free. So $2.19, it's going to take $2.19 off, just making this guy free. Everybody should have this coupon in your account, so look for that. But super great deal for the yogurt. So this is nowhere near as good as the free Silk yogurt, but this is still a phenomenal deal on the Siggy's yogurt. So the Siggy's yogurts are regularly $1.99, but they're on sale right now 4 for $5. If you clip the 5x digital coupon we have right now, you'll get $1 off of 4. So clip that, it's gonna make them 4 for $4. That's already half off, that's pretty good. But there's an Ibotta rebate for $1.89 back if you buy 3 of them. So it drives the final cost down to $2.16 for 4, or just 54 cents a cup, which is actually a really good deal. All right, guys, we have an amazing deal on Clorox Wipes. Depending on the rebate on your Swagbucks, you could actually get these for totally free. My Swagbucks had a rebate this week for $6 back if you buy any 2 Clorox disinfecting products. The wipes 35 count or larger. These are 35 count. They're on our mega for $2.99. So after that, you get 2 of these for free. It has a limited 2, so you can get 4 of them for free. Amazing. Some people's Swagbucks are $3 back on 2, I've heard. I don't know why mine's been $6 on 2 several times now. So hopefully you guys are too. But even if it's $3 on 2, $1.49 still is not a bad deal for these at all. Because I think the Kroger wipes are $1.89. So yeah, but these could be free if you have that rebate. I am so excited. Did I mention I'm so excited for this deal on the all stain lifters detergent? This is epic, best deal I've seen on laundry detergent in months. This is so great. So the all detergent, it is on sale for $4.99, but if you clip the weekly digital coupon, it makes it $2.49 a bottle. As of right now, and there's no expiration posted on the rebate, there's a $2 rebate on Ibotta. So you're paying $2.49, getting $2 back, makes it 49 cents a bottle. Oh my gosh, that's insane. There are coupons in the inserts from this weekend, the 115 save for $1.50 off of the bottles, and I believe $2 off of the pods. You can't combine that with the Ibotta per the stupid restrictions on that coupon. It says can't be combined with other rebates. But man, that is such a great deal. Another deal you could do as well is on Snuggle. The Snuggle, these guys are going to be $2.49 as well, and we have $1.50 off any Snuggle product coupon in the inserts, the 115 save. So it'll make those just 99 cents. So guys, amazing deals on laundry products this week at Kroger. So excited. Guys, Kroger has been on it lately with these paper product deals. This last weekend, we had the Brawny deal. Hopefully you got in on that. And now we have a crazy toilet paper deal. So these Scott Comfort Plus, these guys are $5.99 on sale right now. But we have a weekly digital deal. clip the digital coupon, it makes it $4.99 this week. We also have a manufacturer digital's coupon for $1 off that you can use as well, because the $4.99 is a Kroger store coupon. So after that, it makes it $3.99 down from $6.49, which is actually a very good price for toilet paper. So awesomeness. Okay, so our deal on the Breakstones Cottage Doubles is still going this week at Kroger. These are on sale right now for $1, down from $1.49. And there is a 75-cent rebate over on Ibotta for these. Makes them $0.25 a piece, which is a really decent deal for this, and good if you're chasing an Ibotta bonus. Okay, so if you're on a low-carb lifestyle or whatever, this is a really good deal for these Atkins chips. And honestly, this actually breaks down to be even cheaper than like a single bag of Doritos at the front. So this is definitely worth a try. But the Atkins protein chips, these are $1.99 at Kroger. We have a 1-off-1 coupon from the 1/8 Smart Source. So using that coupon makes these 99 cents. And then there is a 50-cent rebate on the Ibotta app. Drives these down to just 49 cents, which is a really awesome deal. So yeah, nice. Okay, so I'm really excited to see that this deal got even better on the Tasty Rice products. So the Tasty Rice, you're going to want to buy a thing of rice for $3.79. Then you're going to come on over here and pair it up with one of these Tasty Bite entrees. They have the Bombay potatoes and the Madras lentils for $4.29. So pick up one of these, and they're literally like right across from each other. The rice is with the regular rice, and then the meals are actually on the bottom, kind of like the Indian food section. So yes, gonna pick up one of each. There's a deal on Shopkick. It's a bundle offer. Between your buy it and scan kicks, you're gonna get back 1,740 kicks. That's the equivalent of $6.96. It's gonna make both of these products just $1.12, which is an awesome, awesome deal. So yeah, nice. Okay, so we talked about this Nature Zone Perfectly Crafted deal last week. It's on the sourdough bread. It's $4.29, buy one, get one. We had a Kroger cashback last week. I don't know if that's still available, but our Ibotta rebate for $1.50 back is still available. So if you go ahead and buy two at $4.29 BOGO, submit $1.50 on Ibotta times 2 makes it $1.29 for 2 or 60 cents each. You got to have the sourdough though, which for some reason my store doesn't carry the sourdough variety, but it's a great deal if your store has it. So definitely pick that up. I know these are not the most exciting thing ever, but if you like these noodle bowls, I thought I would mention it. It has to be on the Nissin Hot and Spicy Firewalk. Can't just be the regular hot and spicy. It has to be the Firewalk variety. They're on sale at Kroger for $1.50. There's a 75-cent rebate over on Ibotta for this. So it's just going to make it 75 cents down from $2.19, which is actually a really decent saving. So if you like these, there you go. Okay, so we have a nice deal on this new product. It's the Not Milk, Not Co. Plant-based milk alternative. These are on sale for $4.99 right now, but there's a $1 5X digital coupon, making it $3.99, and there's a $3 Ibotta rebate. So it just makes it 99 cents for 32 ounces of the plant-based milk, which actually, I don't know. Let me know if you guys tried this. What do you think? But from $5.99 down to 99 cents, it's a pretty good savings. So a really nice deal today on the Undercover quinoa crisps at Kroger. These are on sale for $2.49, but there's a 50-cent 5X digital coupon you can use. So clip that. You're going to pay $1.99, but Ibotta has a rebate for 75 cents back. So it just makes this $1.24, which is actually a really, really good price, down from $2.99. Okay, so we have an excellent deal for these today, the Fruz balls, and I gotta say, these are really good. I really like the peanut butter and jelly. They're just really expensive, but this is a great deal. So they are $5.99 regularly, but they're on sale 2 for $11. That breaks down to $5.50 each. We have an awesome 5X digital coupon again for $4 off of 2, which is very high value. So it makes it 2 for $7 or $3.50 each. And then Ibotta has $1 back. Get that back times 2 since you're buying 2, and it makes it 2 for $5 or just $2.50 each. Over half off. That's a pretty good deal for these. So yes. Got for this Kroger video. I really hope y'all did enjoy this and you're looking forward to the deals. Let me know down below what's your favorite deal. Mine's that detergent, because that's unheard of. I couldn't tell you the last time I got detergent that cheap. So I'm really excited for this week at Kroger. Let me know down below what's your favorite deal. Also check out my mega event participating items walkthrough. I showed you guys everything that's included on the sale in Kroger this week. It's awesome. That's kind of all I gotta say. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.